We decided to check out the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium up at City Walk in Hollywood, and it did not disappoint. This is the restaurant before the theme park even opened, and you can see how cool this building is. This is the old Hard Rock Cafe, and I only went to it one time when it was Hard Rock. The decorations were really cool, and the staff is pretty much all dressed steampunk style. So let's take a look at the menu. The menu was fantastic. Let's start with the good stuff, the bourbon. I'm just kidding, that's for my husband. I got a glass of water, gorgeous water glass that it's served in, and a glass of Pinot. And I thought about getting the salmon, but I opted for the French onion soup. And as you can see, yes, it looks exactly like the picture. It was so delicious. I only got a cup of this, and that was really plenty because I also got an appetizer for my main course. This was, I think, called avocado bruschetta. The girls got to meet the owners. I think her name was Penny, and that's her robot assistant. And they really had fun looking at the menu with all the different milkshakes, but they were so full from their kids' meals, which were priced under $10, that we decided to go back for milkshakes a different time. The decorations are all very cute, and it's over the top, but not too over the top. I really loved the two levels. It really made it nice and entertaining, and the ceiling was so beautiful. I did find remnants of the old Hard Rock. If you look close, those are guitars in the railing there. And the candy shop was amazing. The lines were pretty long, so we decided to come back for candy next time. But look at how gorgeous all of this candy is. By the time we left, there was a line forming outside the restaurant to come in and get a nice taste of this new treat up at City Walk. I hope you enjoyed this little pictorial view.